If you have ever had any kind of nail fungus, you probably know how hard it is to get rid of, and it is such a pain. Usually you have like a weird little bottle that you are trying to get underneath your fingernails or your toenails, and it is not fun. So this like nail repair pen was sent for my review, and this is going to be awesome. I'm really thankful right now I don't have any fungus, but you know, I do go for manicures and pedicures, and a lot of times it's a really easy way for you to like catch that kind of fungus. So now that they have it in this pen, ooh, there's 4 of them in here. Check this out. So now it's like this like little pen, so it makes it so much easier to actually apply. So I'll put that one there, and let's go ahead. So I'm just looking at the back here, and it says you want to apply it twice daily, which is really good. And so let's go ahead and check this out. So I bet it's, oh man. So I did, from getting like a pedicure many years ago, I did have a toe fungus. And as I said, it was this little jar with a stick, and you were trying to get it underneath, and it was making it impossible. So if you have something like this, so as you can see, all the liquid is inside here. And then this, I'm assuming we're just going to go ahead and click. Let me do that. Get this up here. I'm assuming it's going to start coming. Oh yeah, I can feel it getting tighter. So it's going to start coming out. There we go. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that on camera, that gel. Look at that. So then you've got all these really great, easy bristles. So then you can literally just kind of pull the skin back a little bit, and then oh yeah, those bristles get right underneath your nail. And then you want to get like on the sides, and you're getting down here. This is so much easier than that big stick. It just like really gets into there. You do that twice a day. Of course, you're gonna have to be careful when you do this. This is definitely something easy to do at night. And then during the day, you wanna make sure it's gonna dry. You have to make sure you're not putting like your hands in your mouth, because that's gonna taste terrible. And usually, I'm gonna do the smell test. Oh, okay, so normally they have this really horrific smell, and these actually do not. There is like a smell, it's more of like a product, but not like a really gross, intense smell. So yeah, definitely keeping these on hand. Hopefully I will never have the fungus, but if I do, this is awesome.